This is a tutorial for Organization Oasis Notion Meal Planner. Welcome to your Meal Planner's homepage. Here's a quick tour so you know where everything is. On the left, you'll see your planning progress. This shows how much of your groceries are bought and how many meals you've cooked for this week and next. Right below that is your calendar view. Here you can see all your meals organized by date. Switch between weekly or monthly view to look ahead or review past weeks using the arrows next to today. On the right side, you'll find quick action buttons. From here, you can add new meals like breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks, or create and view recipes. Below the buttons is the ingredient list. This updates automatically based on the meals and recipes you've added for this week and next. If you've added prices to ingredients, the planner will also show an estimated total cost. The Send to My Phone button pushes a notification that stays on your phone's lock screen, so you can quickly open the planner when at the store. Just make sure to have the Notion app installed on your phone and notifications enabled. Further down, you'll find galleries for desserts and non-dessert recipes. These highlight recipes you haven't used in a while. A fun way to bring variety back to your menu. And finally, at the bottom, you'll see the Help and Video Guides page, as well as the databases that make this planner work. Don't delete these sections, or the system won't function properly. That's your homepage at a glance. Everything you need to plan, track, and cook, all in one place. To get more help about Organization Oasis Notion Meal Planner, check the Help and Video Guides at the bottom of the homepage.